Hey guys, today is Friday, day 6 of OS Instruction Week. Today we have Mac OS 7.5. I am using an emulator, of course. So yeah, let's play. We got Tetris here, except I'm not gonna bother playing it since it takes over the entire screen, and I have to reset at the virtual Mac to quit out of it. Anyways, look, control panels. The control panel monitors cannot be used with this Macintosh. Mouse. Let's see. Mouse tracking, fast. Double click speed. Oh yeah, of course that fast. PC exchange. Oh, it's just like stuff for in case like you inserted a floppy disk that came from a Windows PC. Anyways, let's look at these sounds. So fun. Oh, this text. Not gonna bother with that. Anyways, let's get to deleting some stuff. Now, this is the actual virtual hard drive that I used. So I created a backup, and I'm using it for destruction. Let's see. Let's get to deleting some stuff. Hopefully we can delete everything. Oh yeah, the delete key is backspace. I need to go to special. Alright, file. Where is it? Where? How do you move the trash? Wait, you can just drag it into the trash. Oh. Let's get all this into the trash. Oh, missed you. Files. There we go. Now let's empty the trash. Okay. The trash contains 206 items, which use 14.3 megabytes of disk space. Are you sure you want to permanently remove these items? Yes. One item cannot be deleted because it is locked. Do you want to delete the other items? Continue. Continue. Ew. Shut the frick up, Mac. I'm literally just like constantly clicking. Oh, there we go. Let's see what items are left in the trash. The finder is still there. Can I erase this? Erase. It's the startup disk. God dang it. Whatever. Let's restart and try and open it. Control O. Oh wait, I hit Shift. Control O. And I'm gonna open up the backup. Yep, can't boot to it anymore. Anyways, that concludes day 6 of Wolf's Destruction Week, and I'll see you tomorrow for the final day. Bye!